Hi, in this video we're going to find the x-intercepts, also known as the roots, of a quadratic graph where the quadratic equation is in factorized form. So factorized form where we've got some brackets multiplied together, right? Now remember, quadratic graph has this shape here, either the kind of smiley face shape or it might be upside down. So it might be a hill shape instead, like that. And in general, the way you could tell is if we were to expand this out, we'd have an x times the x term, which is x squared, or 1x squared. That's the same as saying. And because 1 is positive, the number in front of the x squared is positive, then that's going to give you a smiley face shape. Whereas if it was a negative number, like, I know, minus 3x squared, then it would be the frowny face shape. Anyway, we've got this smiley face shape, but we just want to find the x-intercepts. That means, where does this graph cross the x-axis? Well, you can see those points are here and here. That's where the graph crosses the x-axis. And what do we know about the coordinates of these points? Well, the y value is going to be 0 there, and the y value is 0 here. So the y will be equal to 0 here, and the y will be equal to 0 here. Okay, so let's make the y value 0. Let's just copy it out. We've got y equals to x minus 4, x plus 2. And as we said, when we're on the x-axis, y is 0. Similarly, we're on the y-axis, then x is 0. So we make y 0, we've got 0 equals x minus 4 times x plus 2. And then remember, if we've got a product of two numbers is equal to 0, then at least one of those numbers has to be the 0. Because if that was 0, 0 times anything would give you 0, wouldn't it? So if the x minus 4 is 0, what minus 4 is 0? Well, it's 4, isn't it? So x would be 4. And if the x plus 2 was 0 here, what plus 2 gives you 0? Well, it's minus 2. So we get x is minus 2. Remember, the quick way is just to look at those numbers there and negate them to get the solution. So negate that, you get positive 4. Negate that, you get negative 2. The sign changes. So we've now worked out that these two x values here are negative 2 and 4. That makes the y value 0. So that is the solution. We've got negative 2 and positive 4.